This is a video introducing the key features of DigitPro Digital Tire Pressure Gauge with Inflator. It helps give you an overview. Of course, if you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features of DigitPro Digital Tire Pressure Gauge with Inflator. The digital tire pressure gauge has 4 different measurement units: PSI, kPa, bar, kilogram per square centimeter. It reads within 1% of the exact tire pressure, with a resolution of 0.1 psi, and the measuring range is 3 to 250 psi. The tire inflator gauge is made of heavy-duty stainless steel and corrosion-resistant brass components, equipped with a sturdy rubber hose and a gear-type rubber dial, which is reliable and durable. The high-definition digital LCD display also has a light mode for use at night. The tire pressure gauge includes inflation, deflation, and tire pressure checking functions. Connect it to your air compressor to inflate, press the built-in deflation valve to deflate the tire, press the power button to check tire pressure. The inflation gun can be used with 1/4 inches NPT air compressors to inflate tires. And it is very suitable for various vehicle tires, including trucks, cars, SUVs, RVs, motorcycles and more. Suitable as a gift for men and women. Excessive tire pressure will cause blowouts, while insufficient tire pressure will cause excessive wear. A tire pressure gauge for cars can help you reduce the possibility of blowouts, explosions, and wear, improve your MPG, and save fuel costs. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.